Hello, welcome to our student project at Darmstadt University of Applied Sciences. The goal of our project was to implement a digital twin of the high-bay storage station of the Autobab Smart Factory in Siemens NX MCD software and to validate the digital twin with a virtual commissioning using PLC Sim Advanced. AutoFab is a fully automated smart factory at Darmstadt University of Applied Sciences which fabricates and stores the various types of relays. This video demonstrates how the high-bay storage station works. Whenever a shuttle arrives at the station, the 3-axis robot picks a relay plate with unfabricated relay from the rack and places it on the shuttle. The shuttle carries the relay to the next station for the fabrication process. After the completion of the fabrication process, the shuttle returns to the storage station with the fabricated relay. The robot picks the relay plate and places it back onto the rack. Now we will have a look at the CAD model of the high-bay storage system created in NX MCD software. The CAD files of the individual parts are imported and arranged in a required manner. In order to dynamize the system, we need to provide physics and kinematics to the model. The required parts are defined as rigid bodies to provide them with some mass. And all the parts which interact with one another are defined as collision bodies. All the static parts are fixed to one another using various fixed joints. The 3-axis robot, which has moving parts, is provided with 3 sliding joints. In order to control the sliding joint positions, we would need to provide position controls. In order to simulate the 2 sensors which are present on the gripper part of the robot, we create 2 collision sensors. After providing physics and kinematics to the model, we create some signals in order to control the MCD model from PLC. PLC program provides us with 3 Boolean signals. One, to initialize the pickup operation, and a second signal to initialize the drop operation, and a third signal to move the 3-axis robot to a fixed ground position. We also receive 3 float signals with X, Y, Z location of the shuttle or the location on the rack. The MCD also sends 3 output Boolean signals to indicate the completion of pickup, drop or ground position operation. As seen in the video, in order to pick up or drop the plate, just X, Y, Z locations are not enough. The robot needs to perform certain maneuvers as shown here. These maneuvers are performed by C-Motion software in the real AutoFab process. To simulate C-Motion in MCD, we have created various expression blocks. Some to add or subtract values from the given X, Y, Z signals, and some to check if the position control has reached the required positions. These expression blocks are called one by one in operating sequence. 2 groups of operating sequences are created, one for the pickup operation and one for the drop operation. These expression blocks are called one by one in a separate operation and made to run one after the other. All the signals created in the MCD are mapped to the corresponding signals in the TIA port. Now we are ready to perform the virtual commissioning of the digital twin of the high-bay storage station using PLC Sim Advanced. Thank you for watching.